thanks I'll be giving the Most High, no? I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. Only I in the price, I'm a leg we have to pay. While our leaders play, all I see, people are rip and a rob, all are grime. Thief never love is a thief with long bag. No love for the people who are suffer real bad. Another toll to the poor, may God help his soul. What is to stop the youth from get out of control? Full up on education, yet no own a payroll. The clothes from me back have countless eyes old. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. With only I give the price, I'm a leg we have to pay. While our leaders play, we say who can afford to run will run, but what about those who can't? They will have to stay. Opportunity a scarce commodity. In this time I say, when mama spend her last and send you go class, never you ever play. It's a competitive world for low budget people, spending the time while earning a nickel, with no regard to who it may tickle. My cup is full to the brim. I could go on and on, the fool has never been told. Though this life keep getting me down, won't give up now, got to survive, some way, somehow. I could go on and on, the fool has never been told. I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. With only I in the price, I'm a leg we have to pay. While our leaders play, all I see, people are rip and a rob, all are grime. Thief never love is a thief with long bag. No love for the people who are suffer real bad. Another toll to the poor, may God help his soul. What is to stop the youth and get out of control? Full up of education, yet no own a payroll. The clothes by your back have countless eyes old. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day. Only I give the price, I'm a leg we have to pay. While our leaders play, they say who can afford to run will run, but what about those who can't? They will have to stay. Opportunity a scarce commodity. In this time I say, when mama spend her last and send you go class, never you ever play. It's a competitive world for low budget people, spending the time while earning a nickel, with no regard for who it may tickle. My cup is full to the brim. I could go on and on, the fool has never been told. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. And that's why they make them take it, Chuck. I'll be there for sure, don't worry. I miss them bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the glitter, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows. Ooh, Lord help me sustain these blows. I cry, it's not an easy road. How many see the glamour and the glitter, so them think I better rose. Me say, who feels it knows. Ooh, Lord help me sustain. Why? From the minute of birth you enter this earth, obstacle in your way to overcome first. Throughout every day they seem to get worse. Oh my God, cast away this curse. Everybody are trying to make every end meet you anyway that them endeavor. Lord God, you see, no matter what the world may say out the street, most of it survive won't accept defeat. Now I'm weary, on both sides. How we anticipate, pray for your style. Righteousness prevail. It's down by my side. Leave my shoulder from the well. No leave him to die. Help us all. Ababa Janai. Hold up my head and cry. I tell you now, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road. I did tell you, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road.
And this last time, we get to rules and reigns over all living things. King of all kings, rule all things.
Lord, give us strength. Oh, never let I face to live out the greater part of my days. Give us strength. Oh, Jah, give us strength. Oh, never let I face no to live out the greater part of my days. Give us strength. Yeah. Indeed, I see pestilence and plague, but I'm not afraid. They are looking for what they can take. Come in all size, appear in all shape. Lord, give us the vision to differentiate. Yeah, they wait, we shall escape. God who protect is greater than great. In all that we do, He holds our faith. Jah give I strength. Yeah, yeah. Never let I face. No, to live out the greater part of my days. Give I strength. Whoa, Jah, give I strength. Yeah, yeah. I never let I fail. To live out the greater part of my days. Give I strength. Yeah. Teach the youths them right in the way they should grow. Joy is a stream, constantly flow. And I don't wanna be unhappy. Let me live till I'm gray. I work hard to get paid. Keep out of tailbearers and backbiters way. Never let the spirit of education decay, no way. Jah give us strength, yeah, yeah. Never let I face, no, to live out the greater part of my days. Give us strength, yeah, yeah. Jah give us strength. I never let I face, oh, to live out the greater part of my days. Give us strength.
Shiloh. As plain as day not given, is that ear will not listen. I see unattentively, witnessing tears rolling down cheeks, caring not about the damage. They call it miscarriage. Oh, just stand in my heart.
Yeah, Jah give us strength. Yeah, yeah. I never let I face to live out the greater part of my days. Give us strength. Yeah, yeah. Jah give us strength. Whoa, never let us face. No, live out the greater part of our days. Give us strength.
He who suffers conquers, winning the crown of victory in the end. The hour is near, arise and defend. All Jah our freedom defend.
Cause why? Teach the youths them right in the way they should grow. Joy is a stream that constantly flow. And I don't wanna be unhappy, so let me live till I'm gray. I work hard to get paid. Keep out of tailbearers and backbiters way. Never let the speed of education decay, no way. Jah give us strength, yeah, yeah. I never let I fail. No, live out the great part of my days.
Who are wise in their own eyes, and yet they're prudent in their own sight. Remember, say you got wolf there in a sheep cloth. Yet things will be alright. Oh, culture. Living in Rome, my people, how safe you are. Away from your home, I say you're oh so far. He has been crowned for fighting so many wars. Blood belongs to the throne, Melchizedek. Meet the stars, red, gold, and green. And as the hurt filled my heart with joy unfold. Prince and princess makes your comfort the land of love. filled with righteousness for I and I. Keep I safe in your arms, Emperor Selassie. Hail, King Selassie. Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel. Holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey. First time King of creation, from the western hemisphere for repatriation. Cunning words, no source of inspiration, causing hurt, devising trump for the nation. In their own self will the kids make it high, I and I. Marketing black people when I summarize. Open the eyes, yo. Hail, King Selassie. Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel. Holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey. I had the blood and fire warrior, traveling from in those times. For the ark of the covenant, I had the carrier that never yet left me mind. Fruitful bow, Empress Margot, she has been so divine. Let them know we must go to Mount Zion on a full time. Babylon set the captives free. Do you tell him and you will have the key? So long and so many years, you in a Babylon a cry wasted tears. Hey, King Selassie, Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel. Holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey. Hey, living in Rome, black people, oh, save you are. Away from your home, I say you're oh so far. He has been crowned for fighting so many wars. Black created the throne, Melchizedek. Me, the stars, red, gold, and green. And as the hurt filled my heart with joy in one fold. Prince and princess makes your convoy. The land of love, the land for I and I. Keep us safe in your arms, Emperor Selassie. Hey, King Selassie, Ethiopia's own divine majesty, Emmanuel. Holy, holy, take us home, Marcus Garvey.
Them no really know we get sword and show, so them on a pipe fry. One ness, mess up them and them wicked flex. Warrior road with our joy. Hey, blackness, some of them no really know we get scrolled and show, so them on the pipe fry. One ness, mess up them and them wicked flex. Warrior road with our joy. Well, I'm max weight, can't push me under. Come straight out for this, me and no stranger. Some people not create, can't go no further. In front your face is like a lunge of the danger. Oh, 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 storing of the fire, things can get ugly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're all desire if you want to come and test me. Don't give it up, bro, you ain't not close. Rose wouldn't say that's all. Your checks up with your signature. You test the best, you never live to draw. Rasta man is on their own legend. Never mix your business with pleasure. Black people come with jump for joy. Raise your on the music, babe. Son Negro, them no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them are the pipe. Hey, who next? Mess them up, them on them wicked flex. Warrior roll with our dry. Hey, blackness, some of them no really know it yet. Scroll and show, so them are the pipe. Right, one next, mess up them on them wicked flex. Babylon burn with our dry. Well, I wouldn't play with it, I must lay with it. Bounce, gather your pieces and your bits. Hey, I wouldn't play with it, why must I lay with it? Count, not a ounce, I miss nana. Can't make me vex as if they want me to. Bro, watch your step on the things you do. Yeah, you cut your road, so look for obstacle. And none of your counts could ever make me house sound narrow. Them no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them are the pipe right. Who next? Mess them on them wicked flex. So last I stand wet or dry. Oh, negro, yo, some no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them are the pipe right. One next, mess them on them wicked flex. Warrior road with our dry. No, I talk and
some get crazy. The truth about some of them walk a bit hasty. Go standing for off a chat about me feisty. Oh, probably you don't know me. Hey, love is my meditation. Some mind they bring segregation that mess up situation. Love is my meditation. Some I bring segregation that mess up Sizzla done much less. Some of them no really know we get. Scroll and show set them at the bottom right. One else mess up every wicked flex. So last year I burn them wet or dry. Yo, blackness. Some of them no really know we get. Scroll and show set them at the pipe right. One else them up them on them wicked flex. Babylon burn wet or dry. Yo, Max wait, you push me under. Come straight cause to this me and no stranger. Flip on a create.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong. No one can stop you. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Yeah, yeah. Some people read and meditate, others move scanty, yo. Some people are conscious about life, others are still panting, yo. Some people like strong drink, cognac, champagne and brandy, yo. Babies love ice cream and cake and candy, yo. I love herbs and girls, good words, roots and my shanty, yo. Girls love clothes and shoes, going to school brand new and that means spanking, yo. Yes, we all need education because that's the damn thing, yo. All things fade, living it standing. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and the wants. You to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and wants. You've got the clearance, that's the reference. Perseverance for the utmost best should be your preference. Skills of trade and talents is your evidence. Help those afar off, teach those in your residence. Oh yeah, yeah, girls getting sentiments. Look at it with a clear conscience. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. Fulfill your needs and wants. It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal, it's alright. People try so many things just to make a living. Thanks and praise to the King, ever living Thanksgiving, yo. Need no distractions, stay focused because now we can.
Always need the rest, there's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda then spread, tongues will have to confess. Oh, I'm in bondage, living is a mess, and I've got to rise up, alleviate the stress. No longer will I expose my weakness. Ego seek knowledge begins with humbleness. Work 7 to 7, yet me still penniless. For the food up on me table, master God bless. All of the needy and shelterless. Ethiopia await all prince and princess, till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. Yes, propaganda then spread, tongues will have to confess. What could have been about the East? Everybody want a piece. Africa free Africans, Marcus Mosiah speak. Unification out from my defeat. What a day when we walking down Redemption Street. Ban up our head, Bible in a hand, one and all. Make we try the promised land. Buju go down a Congo, stop in a Shashamane land. The city of Ferraris where Selassie come from. In a this a Kenya, I end up in a Ghana. Oh, what a beauty, my eyesight behold. Holy Ethiopia, protect me from the cold. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda then spread. Tongues will have to confess. Organize and centralize. Come as one. Oversee it shall be so many more than sand. Some new one replenish. Pure and clean and for too long we been under this man. Some a say a bag of riches at them dead empty hand. Once them is stupid and laugh all you can. Easier for a camel to enter through an eagle line than it is for a rich guy to enter in a Zion. Take it from Iman. So till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no living in the West. I know the East is the best. Lord, propaganda them spread. Tongues will have to confess. Oh, I'm in bondage. Living is a mess. And I've got to rise up, alleviate the stress. No longer will I expose my weakness. He who seek knowledge begins with humbleness. Work 7 to 7, yet me still penniless. For the food up on me table, master God bless. Allah feed the needy and shelterless. Ethiopia await all prince and princess. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best. All the propaganda them spread. Tongues will have to confess. What could have had somehow the East? Everybody want a peace. Africa free Africans. Marcus Mosiah speak. Unification, no number defeat. What today? We walking down Redemption Street. Ban up on head. Bible in a hand, one and all. Make we try the promised land. Buju go down a Congo and then Shashamane land. The city of Ferraris where Selassie come from. From Addis Ababa in a Botswana. Left Kenya, I end up in a Ghana. Oh, what a beauty, me eyesight behold. Holy Ethiopia, protect me from the cold. Till I'm laid to rest. Yes, always be depressed. There's no life in the West. I know the East is the best.
Oh Lord, only Rasta can liberate the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Jah free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute they don't like you. Why try to make I unhappy? Really, I don't know. If it was up to them, my friend, we would never see the sun or the snow. Through that mystical communication within, we keep on coming together. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Only Rasta free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute that they are with you. Jah free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Our drugs won't do. You're just behaving like they want you to, yeah. I say, arrogance is much different from ignorance, and I know you feel the same way too. Many live this life without having a clue. No reason why they are so sad and blue. Blessings to go, so much things to do. Not a moment to reflect on the cycle of life, yeah. Who free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Jah free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute they don't like
you it hard, it hard, it hard. Yeah. Make them know we want go home, now we hard, it hard, it hard, it hard. Let them know we want go home, now we hard, it hard, it hard, it hard. Yeah. Let them know we want go home, now we hard, it hard, it hard, it hard. Oh God, we want go home. Only Rasta free the people. Oh, alright, she's gonna open. We not sleep with trouble no man. Oh, said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me. Be strong. All up for meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. Say one day things must get better. Be strong, and I say all up for meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. One day things must get better. The rich is wise in his own conceit, but the fool with overstanding searcheth him out. Poor man mourn the rich, riches increase. I said, be not grieved, riches are not forever. Envy not the oppressor, choose none of his ways. Be not wise in thine own eyes, only Jah you must praise. Strive not with a man without a cause. If he have done you no harm, let bygone be bygone. Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me. Be strong, and I say, all of her meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above that water. One day things must get better. Be strong, and I say, all of her meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. Say, one day things must get. It's 9 to 5 is a joke compared to the pressure. The minister said the economy is getting better, misleading the people. The mass still suffer. Oh, Jah scarce benefits and spoils. Oh, Jah knows that we feel it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Day and night we cry, cry, cry. Jah know that we feel it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who can help a weeping soul like I? Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me. Be strong, and I say, well, I firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above that water. One day things must get better. Be strong, and I ball. Well, I firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water. Say, one day things must get better. The rich is wise in his own conceit, but the poor with overstanding searcheth him out. Poor man mourn the rich, riches increase. I said, be he not grieved, riches are not forever. Envy not the oppressor, choose none of his ways. Be not wise in thine own eyes, only Jah you must praise. Strike not with the one without a cause. If they have done thee no harm, let bygone be bygone. Said I had a close one yesterday. Jah put an angel over me. Said I had a close one yesterday.
I bless them. Burning fire never ends now. Simplicity we used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorance are now. Simplicity we used to survive. Do what you doing properly. That's the way through life. Simplicity we used to survive. Men find it difficult because they ignorance are now. Simplicity we used to survive. Children, open up your eyes. It's not the one bag of vanity narding, animosity narding, hypocrisy nor democracy. It's nothing, laba laba narding, backstabber nor vampire, evil lost desire. It's just a meditation of my heart, pure and conscious thought. Be overstanding on the smart. Listen to the children speak the word and shine the light in the dark, yeah. Simplicity we used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity me used to survive. Do what to do in proper name. That's the way through life. Simplicity I used to survive. Children, open up your eyes. Simplicity me used to survive. Burn Pharisees and scribes. Yeah. Avoid your anger, that report. Praise Rastafari and live a worthy cause. Give us all the blessing, give us all reward. To help the poor and find it easy when them find it hard. Simplicity I used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity I used to survive. I shall live and love your life. Keep doing what you're doing, don't you grumble. See what you sow is what you reap, so be humble. Know what you're doing, you never stumble. Burn down Rome and side them crumble. Lead the way with the word that I speak. Never must you stray, praise the King in the east. Oh, I don't teach Christ, I am not spirit. Oh, yeah. Simplicity I used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and all. Simplicity I used to survive. Burn Pharisees and scribes. Simplicity I used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and all. Simplicity I used to survive. Oh, Galante Italian is not the one bag of vanity nothing. Animosity nothing. Hypocrisy nor democracy. It's nothing. Lava nothing. But stab nothing. Vampire your evil lost desire. It's just a meditation of my heart. It's just a pure and conscious thought. Be overstanding, I tell you to be smart. Listen to the children when they speak and shine the light in the dark. Simplicity I used to survive. Men to find it difficult because they ignorant and dark. Simplicity I used to survive. Children, live and love your life.
They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my grounds. They will never ever take my crown. Oh, Jah bless, I say no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just only a draw first. But I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. When they come with their evil thoughts, I just listen whenever they talk. I is the light into my dark. He cut and clear all my path. They fight me without a cause, trying to make my life so hard. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, give it all reward. I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set their traps, they just can't stop me now. People will say this and that, they just can't stop me now. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop me now. So down to mix me up in your dirty game. You're only trying to tarnish my name. You're only looking for the innocent to blame. When you're the ones who wish the guns down the lane. You only cause destruction and the pain. But the righteous believes in the rain. Love is all I got to give and I'm not to shine. Looking for the future, the sky can't tame. Cause I'm so solid as a rock and they just can't stop me now. Even when they send their traps, they just can't stop me now.
For the King of Kings, original thing, and the Rasta man a sing. Oh, why should I want to hurt
should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know I and I lives on the reign and the rule over everything? Nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. The people that became a victim, wow, because the system had make it so. Don't take no bribe from the politics, no. Scribes and Pharisees, I sink them below. One block love is that I come show. Just listen to this musical vibes that flow. From the seed what you sow, it bear the fruit for today and tomorrow. Why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanities? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know that's not alright? Lives and reigns over everything. Nothing nor no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. I was born to protect black people, pick me them. No such live the one to convict me, but I'm about them out from burning and just clear my conscience. Can't sell me out for not a red cent. Righteousness is what the people want, eat and rage. Tell them be not so ignorant, take it one step at a time. I tell it to each and every one, Ethiopia, shut up your hands. Why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanities? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know that's not alright? Lives on the rain and the rule over everything. Nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. I think nothing or no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. Oh, why should I want to hurt my brother just for vanity? Why should I want to hurt my sisters for the least of things when I know I and I lives on the reigns and the rule over everything? Nothing and no one gonna stop us now from doing the right thing. Oh, look way to make you great for this season. Don't you kill your brother for no foolish reason.
No blinders. Oh yes, now yes. Oh gosh. I see the heathen fighting for no reason to my knowing. Oh God, now. But even though they are trying, just fill my life with blessings, yes. Cause I'm a child of the King. Good tidings I bring, son of the Emperor. No heathen can enter. I'm a child of the King. Good tidings I bring, son of the Emperor. And he'll always conquer for me. Look here. No weapon that is drawn against me shall prosper. No. All evildoers will go down in disaster. Who shall bless? No man curse. Thanks to Jaja that I'm not the worst. I'm doing the best and put ya first. That's why I say, child of the King, yes. Good tidings I bring, son of the Emperor. No heathen can enter, child of the King. Good tidings I bring, son of the Emperor. I know Jah will conquer for me. Child of the King. Ooh, yeah. Child of the King. Yes. Oh. Each day I rise, I give Jah thanks and praises.
This prayer is a little lower than angels.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mankind to live is one. When will mankind live together again? Sharing and caring the way it should find our purpose in life, giving our praises to the Almighty. In this world of uncertainty, no satisfaction guaranteed. Only when we live together will our lives be any better, serving the Almighty. Only when we come together will our lives be any better in our family. Yeah. There was a time when there was peace on earth, no one fighting like this. Now what we see, they don't wanna hear your word, so that is why these wars exist. But not until man humbles himself, he will be blind and needs to be led. Not until we live together will our lives be any better, serving the Almighty. Yeah. Not until we come together will our lives be any better in our community. Yes, man. Imagine living in a world where there is no war. No, oh no. So pure. And imagine that everyone you see knows what he is living for. Oh, what a wonderful world it would be, a world of love and peace. Where no evil can abide, only righteousness increase. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we can do it if we only believe. Yes, we can do it if we only agree. It's your world and mine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your world and mine. Your world and mine. Your world and mine. Your world and mine. Imagine that everyone could give as much as they'd like to get. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And imagine if everyone could learn to show each other respect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what a wonderful world it would be for you and me. Then even the blind could see, and the deaf man could hear. Boy, oh yeah, 'cause we can do it if we only believe. We can do it if we only agree. It's your world and mine. Your world and mine. Yeah. Your world and mine. Yeah. Your world and mine. 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 Yes, imagine that everyone will know. Heaven help us all, yeah. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Hear me when I call. Heaven help us all. Heaven at the black man with his back against the wall. man who's depending on his gun. Heaven have that man who shoots his other brother down. Heaven have the brother who's always on the run. Yeah, heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all. Heaven help us all.
Babylon mash up the whole place. Inside out. Babylon turn the world upside down. Round and round and round and round. Inside out. Babylon turn the world upside down. Lord knows. I saw the thing set up. See then now everything mess up. Boy, I saw the thing set up. If you try to take a seat, them lift you up. I saw the thing set up. Carpet throw away, cause them mash the cup. Lord no, I saw the thing set up. See then now everything mess up round here. Everything that's happening is by design, not by mistake. With them evil conception, mismanagement, them mash up the place. Sufferation rampant out the street. You know see it. All over the world, them said it's the Great Depression. I do it. Poor people eating the bitter, them can't get none of the sweet. I saw the thing set up. See then now everything mess up. Boy, I saw the thing set up. If you try to take a seat, them lift you up. Get up. I saw the thing set up. Carpet throw away, cause them mash the cup. Lord no, I saw the thing set up. See then now everything mess up round here. That's why they want to see us fighting and killing each other. Everything them a publish is about Polly and Gaza. The headline of every newspaper is about cartel and Mavado. Make them a go on so, Lord. Why make them a go on so? Them a move like vigilante, Geronimo. Poor people love it talk cause how we run the show. How we select the tune them on them radio. Woy-yoy, woy-yoy. Inside out. Babylon turn the world upside down. Round and round. I saw the thing set up. See then now everything is up. Rastafari. Lord boy, na 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 na. Rastafari, na 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 na. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. I face a lot of trials and tribulation, but through all of that I man still stand strong. Giving thanks and praise to the Almighty One, and looking forward to reach Mount Zion. And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. They said I don't have no rights in a Babylon, because I don't know how the West was won. Neither I can't change their plan. The West is controlled by the Ku Klux Klan. That's why I say, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Teach the youths them right, but not teach them wrong. Jackal up on the youths, cause the youths are strong. Look to Africa, that I feel your mama land. And down Africa, where you find Mount Zion. And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Say, Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. I care not what the people of this world want to say, neither what the people of this world want to do. Many are called, but the chosen are few. What you gonna do when Jaja call on you? I man says, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Oh, holy man Zion, I'm coming home to you. I faced a lot of trials and tribulation, but you all of that I must still stand strong. Still giving praise to the Almighty One and looking forward to reach Mount Zion. And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to you. The bingy man name says, Zion, I'm coming home to you. They say I don't have no rights in the let them know that Israel's king is Israel's God. In oneness they say, yes, I'm mad. Israel's king is Israel's God. In oneness they say, tell them I'm mad. Boy, well now, we've come to one conclusion. No more of the Babylon inspiration. I has made a resolution. It will be the Rastaman redemption alone. Hey. Now I know, I know that Israel's king is Israel's God. And oneness they say, I must say mad. Israel's king is Israel's God. And oneness they say, I must say mad. Exalt ye the name of the King, come before his presence with singing. Know that he is the irate, and it's he who irate us. Now we are the sheep of his pastors, entering his gate with praise. Cause now I know, Lord, I know that Israel's king is Israel's God. In oneness them say, I'm mad. Yes, Israel's king.
Take you someplace where you have never been. This is the grim side of reality, yeah. And I wait, yeah. Once again, I'm alone, facing problems on my own, all alone. I don't know what I've done, but pressure just keep on tumbling down. Lord of all, I'm a ball. Who can let me know?
mind the oppressors and different type of stress. For the sorrows of the poor, they don't even care unless if you to the return atrocities. Civil unrest, instead them building penitentiaries as big as burners. Saying we are to be blamed for whatever what makes. How could we rise up every living day? Telling your kids everything is okay. When you look at life, we see it slipping away. There are those who cry every moment, every day. Some say, how you doing? They want to know if we find not until we repossess what's rightfully mine. Sitting down for so long, we do believe it this time. Everyone is entitled to food at mealtime. Till then, we'll struggle for rights. No more racial fights. Degradation to the highest heights. All obstacles as a people we have to cross with health and strength. We all can get past. Happenings of yesterday are just a thing of the past. How could we rise every living day? Telling ourselves most things is okay. When we look at life, it's all slipping away. There are those who cry every moment, every day. Don't you cry, little one. Wipe your tears, sing my song. Though we in a strange land with evil lost one. Head the weak if you're strong. Iron sharpen iron. When you don't take a look, is where the helper come from. What about the mastermind, them with the foolproof plan? What about the genius, them who achieve grade one? How could we rise up every living day? Telling ourselves everything is okay. When we look at life, it's all slipping away. There are those who cry every moment, every. Those who cry for the poor get rejected, neglected, put to death. How much more we are got take? Didn't Papa walk off him short? Blood, sweat and tears. Don't tell me that you don't forget. Being oppressed by the oppressors on different type of stress. For the sorrows of the poor, they don't even care. Let's refuse to deal with return atrocities. Civil unrest, instead them building penitentiaries as big as burners. Saying we are to be blamed for whatever one makes. How could you rise up every living day? Telling yourself most things is okay. When you look at life, it's all slipping away. I don't know who cry every moment, every day. Some say, how you doing? They want to know if you find not until we repossess what's rightfully mine. Sitting down for so long, we don't believe it this time. Everyone is entitled to food and mealtime. Till then, we'll struggle for rights. No more racial fights. Degradation to the highest heights.
Gotta take it downtown.
How you a go like police up? A bomb line you nah go. Tell me, I want to know, I want fly in a yo. Make you a walk and a chuck it so. Word go round so demand them from up so say, oh, what them a go can yo. No bother farm, no fool and go back round there. You can't say me never want you. You fit them one away and ever lay. That way them can't harm you. You feel more well alert, expect any phone play them on there. Know where you work and where you sleep and where you play. It's the wrong set of man. No, you got to run away. Both right bad boy, who did wicked yesterday? Me say, oh you a one like police up. So, a bomb on the line you now go. Tell me, how often know how I fly in a yo. So, make you a walk and a chuck it so. You did in a crane 5 and me did in a crane 9. Humbler than you little boy, you couldn't find. No, you murdering people who fly up in your mind. Kill so much people every day, they know my time. Know your friends them after you, your life is on the line. Start playing the phone, them chant out to find. This is what you be, you better go and rewind. Me say, oh you are one like police up. Fool, a bomb on the line you now go. Tell me, how I feel, how I fly in a yo. Fool, make you a walk and a chuck it so. Now have no responsibility, no responsible. Not a baby mother, we run go home to. Leg found and I mean, everybody want you. Five bad man a hunt you. Now we double, public nuisance. You are the tea in trouble. It's either you kill the guy or them murder you. Take it easy, hear it from Buju. Straight from me heart, I am coming to you. When me ask them, how you are going like police up? I'm bombarded like you now go. Tell me, how often know how I'm flying at you? Make you a walk and a chuck it so. Word go round so demand them from us so say, oh, what them a go can you? No bother farm, no fool and go back round there. Can't say me never want you. You fit someone away and ever lay. That when them can't harm you. The man that you where you work and when you sleep and where you play. This the wrong set of man, now you got to run away. Both right bad, but only wicked that's it. Still want it today. I'm going to say, oh you are one I'm bully so. I'm a man and you now go. Fool, I want to know how I'm flying at you. Make you a walk and a chuck it so. Africans with African pride. Fighting to attain our rights. Want no more shedding of blood. For a nation to move forward. Africans with African pride. Fighting to attain our rights. Want no more shedding of blood. For this nation to move forward. But make we can all unite. Put each man difference aside. Why can't we just come together? See some tribal wars and fight. Who knows better must do better. A source of collective insight may not be exposed to education, but surely knows wrong from right. Africans with African pride, fighting to attain our rights. Want no more shedding of blood for this nation to move forward. Africans with African pride, fighting to attain our rights. Want no more shedding of blood for this nation to move forward. Say within a motivation, teach I to be self-sufficient. Don't want to depend on no one for attainment of my brain. Oh, these words are my calling. Children crying white squad tears. Hunger rampant harvest plenty. Ooh, oh, Africans with African pride, fighting to attain our rights. Want no more shedding of blood for any nation to move forward. Africans with African pride, fighting to attain our rights. Oh, 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 oh.
Look at the tidings it brings on a seat. To all them a flex rasta man a free rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them bend. With a friend, after fire burn them down again. To all them a flex rasta man a free rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail Queen Omega and the whole and them bend. With a friend, after fire burn, we coming like thunder, just like earthquakes. Some of them a run for cover in a them secret place. Lining up on them over like parades in a plate. Burn down a flesh, yeah, man, them don't know them spice. This is the night you bring the earth, majestical lift. Yes, me know them in the fight, we just a juggle mystic. Rasta youths, I know it, burn them rights and writs. Most to the voice with the words from my lips. Under the mix, to all them a flex, Rasta man a fi rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them bend. With a friend, run them down with fire all again. To all them a flex, Rasta man a fi rebel. As them say we them all a pull up in a them shell. Hail Emmanuel and the whole and them bend. My friend, fire all upon them again. Just watch that speech. Beyond the lookout, Sizzla seats of the east is my road. Stand up on your feet, cause this a more than joke. Involving sound of easy man, a snort them coke. But all who come up Selassie, I bound to take root. But blossom and full this earth with fruit. To pour more rain and wash the pain from the youths. It take no strength to tell the truth. On the fruit, to all them a fresh Rasta man a fi rebel. As them so we them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them dead, my friend. At the fire burn them down again. To how them a flex Rasta man a fi rebel. As them so we them all a pull up in a them cell. Hail King Selassie and the whole and them a dead, my friend. Lightning and thunder, tell them send the charge out. We hype hurry and move too fast. Things must be done, we come to do all of the part. Long bound to come to delete strife and rot. Your duties, you're not on your seat. You a skylark, beating off your gum when you hear me talk. That is where you've got the fault. On the seat, to how them a flex Rasta man a fi rebel. As them see we them all a pull up. Well, he'll King Selassie and the whole and them made me friend. Hot a fire burn them down again. To how them a flex Rasta man a fi rebel. As them see we them all a pull up in a them shell. He'll King Omega and the whole and them made me friend. Hot a fire, movement coming like thunder. Just like earthquake, some of them a run fi cover in a them secret place. Lightning a turn them over like parrots in a place.
This a African face, smoke me no hug nor embrace. Zion is a bountiful place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. Hey, this a inna them face. Man I come here so fi sip of them taste. Hey, this a greater than great. I chant on the wicked heart quake. On the seats, make me spin. No them wouldn't come. So them wicked then I want make them run. You look, you live, you look in a young row. Take positive and to me later on. Some give me the blessing, cause the blessings will count. Never you worry, I won't miss not a ounce. You this last you know make it up mount. Zion we a pounce, this a African face. Smoke me no hug nor embrace. Mount Zion is a very high place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. I trample in on them face. When I come here suffering I'm from them place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. I plant on the righteous come break. Oh, tell them say be so fine with the love one over. Please, no worry your mind if you're wealthy. Please, from you I read that boundary. Please, just let me see your face out of the heat. No yam no me no them all a bahana. No worry yourself, no the Rasta man now. Look, the lion is the healing herbs and looks. You know what praise the well I come on the rocks in your face. Smoke me no hug nor embrace. When I come here suffering I'm from them place. I chant I'm the wicked heart a chase. Hey, trampling on them face. Chant before the wind what a race. Greater than great what's the rate. I chant I'm the wicked heart a quake. Do you know? Tell them say rising when it's surprising, bringing them to them sense. Get a youth been maximizing, Rasta open them eyes. Round them for Selassie, high children stand at the side. Lightning dropping around, they go against the most high. Putting up the evil what they want, they big and wondering why. Giving the Naya been the chant, now they can't satisfy. Now half the seeds are plant, and now the youth won't cry. When I all a chant, I know enough for go fry. The rivers are go stop and all them flesh gone dry. All know them a look for see God come from sky. I build upon them Jesus now get no reply. Can you do without this earth? Inna them face. Smoke me no hug nor embrace. I chant so I want you to break. I plant never you chase. Inna them face. When I come here so face it of them face. I plant righteous will break. But you don't know man if you come and live them live. I stand up and watch them. All the parents make all them youth are going to bubble on. Come see you now, then. Come look you now, friend. Right. They get to youth them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is their surname. Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess I see them picking up them brains. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is their surname. Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess. Hey, bless up those who pray. Give thanks. Many come and say still they read blank because of negligence. You're lowering their rank. I refute your statement. Where is the balance? House of false of bent. I mean you happen done a damn. We economical well tight. Who no yam. Left me in a nothing but devastation. And now you're gonna call another election when them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is that surname. Homeless. Who bears no pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is my surname. Homeless. Who bears their pain? From the mess. Hey, what is it you can tell me when the stable's still lean? You keep rocking the boat, yo, you know what we mean. What's your reaction when the
flip up on the screen. Say your police and your soldiers kill a community clean. Hey day, your system to our pocket is a razor. So your money will trickle to you later. You don't help any now you design to suffer. Now you sell us out to please the ego. Booyah, me call upon the ghetto you them we stay strong. Them not have no title for the earth, only for the land. Still I see on the route, never target wrong. Don't refine your line, it's stand up black man. Cause the ghetto you them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is the surname. Homeless, who bears the pain? No, take black people figure I'm homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is the surname. Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess, so yes, I want to reach an old man that tell you really soon. Africa be still cause I come where the nights are noon. My roof hold the sun, stars and moon. Oh yeah, what is it you got to groom and they get to use them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is that surname. Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark is the surname. Homeless.
Pocket is empty, no money to buy, and God knows I'm hungry. Don't ask me why. I guess it's a system on working on me. No, I'm just a victim of poverty. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better day. All I gotta do is open, trust, and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. I say it's not easy on my pilgrim's journey. The burden I carry is more than I can bear. Why should I worry when I can pray? I know God will show me how to conquer my fear. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do is open, work, and pray. And I know that my God will lead the way. Just said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Jah said, before any of his children shall stay by the wayside and beg bread, then heaven and earth shall pass away. Heaven and earth shall pass. Where there is life, then there's hope, they say. So I know that there'll be a better way. All I gotta do, I'll be the name. Oh, Most High God. Glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. For all the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. Look around the world today, oh God, and you will see Pharisees and backbiters taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray, no one can carry away. It's me again, Jah, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray, preserve my soul today. My heart is willing, my flesh is weak. Oh God, good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. I'm not afraid of the Vatican. I'm not afraid of the hooligan. I'm not afraid of Popa. Neither am I afraid of Rome. See, though they seek for my soul, and I love time to take its toll. While the billows roll, yeah, I know Jah is in control. So, good God, good God, good God. Look what they doing to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they doing to your world. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. To the top way. Boy, boy, to the top way. Alright, yeah, yeah. Though they come in the multitude, trying to rob and abuse. Yes, we touch it by my side. Yes, this battle I know I won't lose. This way we got delivered Daniel and the children of Israel, fighting against the Eden. I know we can do it again. So, good God, good God, good God. Look what they do it to my soul. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come along and take control. Good God, good God, good God. Look what they Sometimes I dream the black and white could come together, living as one, sharing the same dream, having one heart, serving the Creator, the Most High God. We are His children, and the sheep of His pasture. All we need is to serve Him in spirit and in truth, 'cause He is the Lord of Lords, and He is the King of Kings. He, ruler of land and sea. He means yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Ooh. No, no, no. Hey. Ooh, let him loose, Lord. Oh, yeah. See that the devil broke loose again. See that. Corrupting the youth, man, even the daughters, them. Why, why, see that the devil broke loose again. See that. And spreading the symptoms even to the little children. Satan is a man who's a cunning little fox. When I catch that fox, I'm gonna lock him in the box. Lock him in the box, then I'll throw away the key in the uttermost part of the Caribbean Sea. Cause see, the devil broke loose again. Why, corrupting the youth, man, even the daughters, them. See that the devil broke loose again. See that. Spreading the symptoms even to the little children. You can see it, can't you feel it in the vibes of the time? Knife and cutlass, violent gun crime. Revelation is revealing, can't you see the sign? Domestic violence is like a pastime. Cause see, the boy broke loose again. Why, corrupting the youth, man, even the daughters, them. See that the devil broke loose again. See that. Spreading the symptoms even to the little children. Jah Lord is thy shepherd, I shall not want. He made I to lie in pastures green, and thou anointest my head with oil. I cup shall run it over. Satan is a man who's a cunning little fox. Catch that fox, I'm gonna lock him in the box. Lock him in the box, then I'll throw away the key in the uttermost part of the Caribbean Sea. See that the devil broke loose again. Why, corrupting the youth, man, even the daughters, them. Why, say, see that the devil broke loose again. See that. Spreading the symptoms even to the little children. You can see it, can't you feel it in the vibes of the time? Knife and cutlass, violent gun crime. Revelation is revealing, can't you see the sign? Domestic violence is like a pastime. So see that the devil broke loose again. Corrupting the youth, man, even the daughters, them. Why, say, see that the devil broke loose again. Spreading the symptoms even to the little children. See that the devil broke loose again. Alright. Corrupting the youth, man, even the daughters, them. See that the devil broke loose again. Spreading the symptoms.